Hello beauties and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is IKM, your makeup artist. So guys, today we're going to be focusing on eyeshadow brushes. Then if you want to learn, then keep on watching. Before we get into this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, share, comment down below so that I know what type of content you'd like to see here on my YouTube channel. I already drew my eyebrows off camera. Now I'm starting the process of cleaning the bottom of my eyebrows with this concealer brush. Why I love this brush is because it has a rounded tip that allows me to clean my brows easily. If you want to see and learn how I do my eyebrows, there's a video I have on my channel. I'll put the link down in the description box so that you guys can go and check it out. When cleaning the bottom of my eyebrows, I like to drag the concealer down so it acts as the base for my eyeshadow later. Then here I am taking a fluffy brush to set that concealer so I am able to put eyeshadow over top. So I used a total of 4 to 5 brushes for this look, and you don't really need that much brushes, it's just me being extra. For an eye look like this, you will need a brush for the transition shade, a brush for the second shade to deepen up your crease color. Then if you want to be extra with adding more darkness to your crease like me, you will need a third brush. Then I also like to have a clean eyeshadow brush with no product on to help blend the edges of the eyeshadow even more. So the total brushes I used are 4. It is not like if you do not have 4 different eyeshadow brushes, you won't be able to pull this off. But having them saves your time so you won't have to wash a brush after using it for another eyeshadow shade. So first I used this brush to place my transition shade on the lid. One thing that you need to know is that the placement of eyeshadow is important. So I use this small eyeshadow brush to put the eyeshadow where I want. I went in with this brush, which is my second brush, and I'm using this brush as my blending brush just to blend the harsh edges of that transition shade. And then after I have applied my second eyeshadow, which is more pigmented, I will go on again with this brush just to blend the edges again. So what I am trying to show you here is you need to have a brush that you use to place that product with, then go in with the second brush, which will help you to blend the harsh edges of that eyeshadow. After I have applied the second shade, I'm gonna go in with this brush. It is also a more precise eyeshadow brush. So I'm gonna be taking a black eyeshadow with this brush, then placing it on the crease just to deepen up my crease and make it more darker because I like it that way. Remember, you don't have to buy so many eyeshadow brushes to get a perfect eye look. It's just me being extra, and if you really have the money to buy them, you can buy them. But one thing that I would like to say is eyeshadow brushes are not cheap. But if you have the money to buy them, you can buy them because eyeshadow brushes are just never enough for me. So with this flat brush, I'm gonna be roughly cutting my crease with this metallic shade. After that, I drew my liner with a angled brush, and I like to draw my eyeliner with a gel liner. So I have been talking, so now I am gonna let you guys enjoy the video. I will come back whenever I am needed. So this completes our video, guys. Thank you so much for the love and support. And if you have found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below so that I know what type of content you'd like to see here on my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to subscribe and share to friends and family so that they can come and join us here in this family. So till next time, bye beauties.